everyone, welcome back. It's day 2 of the Accounting Master series, and today's concept is about bookkeeping. So, what is bookkeeping? Bookkeeping होता क्या है? Let's uncover it. We can say that if accounting is the language of business, then bookkeeping is the basic letters and alphabets to lay down the foundation of that particular language. And without the bookkeeping, we can say that the accounting is just a nameless weapon. To fully understand it, we have to break the word. And here it goes: book and keeping. And keeping means what? Keeping means to write down something or record something. We have to record what? We have to record the transactions and events. Transactions means such particular exchange that takes place on the market while you some purchase something or while you sell something. That's called the transactions where money is involved. And we record these transaction events in the book, and the person who record these all things in the book is known as your bookkeeper. The person is known as your bookkeeper or clerk. And this book has different names depending on the process, cause whenever a business buys, sells, pays, receives or spends money, basically I'm saying that whatever the process may be, but the money should be involved. If money is not involved, we can't record it, right? So whenever the business buys, sells, pays, receives or spends money and its equivalent, that means money or money equivalent. Money equivalent means such thing whichever value, whichever monetary value, and if you sell it in the market you get money, like land, like building, like some investment property, etc, etc. It write down all these records. That means whatever transactions take place, we have to record it when money is involved. And we have to record it. Why? Because our main purpose is what? Our main purpose is to earning money. Our main purpose is to earning profit, and to know profit I have to know my expenses and incomes, so that I have to set up those two. And for the whole this process I have to record all these things. So depending on the process, my name, the book name will be changed, right? So when business records, normally records the transactions from the source documents, it's known as recording. This process is known as recording. And the book where this process is done is known as your journal book. After that, business will group it. Group it means business will group the particular accounts in a certain different book, that is known as your ledger, and the process of doing so is known as your classifying. Afterwards, there's the final process is your summarizing, where business summarizes the final balance of the ledger, and it's done in your trial balance book. All these above three process sums up to form a single word, that will be your bookkeeping. So here basically bookkeeping means what? Bookkeeping means, bookkeeping क्या होता है? Bookkeeping का मतलब होता है कि तुमको हर एक चीज, बिजनेस का हर एक एक्सपेंसेस एंड इनकम को तुमको रिकॉर्ड करना रहता है. पहला प्रोसेस में तुम क्या करते हो? रिकॉर्ड करते हो. वो किस में करते हो? जर्नल में करते हो. दूसरा प्रोसेस में क्या करते हो? जर्नल में जो ऑलरेडी रिकॉर्ड किया हुआ चीज होता है उसको इंडिविजुअली अकाउंट में शो करते हो. दैट्स कॉल्ड योर classifying, and this will be done in your ledger. And the final step is to check your mathematical accuracy, whether you even record the right thing or not. That will be your summarizing process, जहाँ पे तुम क्या करते हो? तुम्हारा लेजर का फाइनल बैलेंस को टेली करवाते हो, and it will be done in your trial balance. And these three process sums up to your bookkeeping. So the famous definition goes, bookkeeping is the process of recording all financial transactions of a business in a systematic way. And what advantage does a business get from this process? Number one, to keep correct record. Business gets advantage of keeping correct records. To know cash in hand and cash out. बिजनेस को और क्या पता चलता है? बिजनेस में पैसा कितना आ रहा है, कितना जा रहा है. टू अवॉइड एरर्स एंड फ्रॉड. बिजनेस में कुछ गलती हो रहा है कि नहीं वो पता चलता है. एंड टू एक्ट एज एन एविडेंस. आगे जाके इन फ्यूचर कोई केस हो जाता है बिजनेस पे, तो वहां पे ये एविडेंस की तरह काम देता है. दैट्स ऑल. सो लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल. Here is an example. Suppose say you are this person and you buy some furniture of rupees 10,000 for cash. That means you paid cash and buy some furniture. So first step is your recording, and you will record it in the book called journal. And so my entry looks like this: furniture account debited to cash account, where 10,000 is debited and 10,000 is credited. We will talk about it later on the next videos. After that, you have to classify it. That means you have to group it. You have to make a separate account called furniture account, and you have to make a separate account called cash account. In the furniture account, my cash account is in this side, and in this summarizing process, you have to took the balance of furniture account and cash account, which is 10,000 and 10,000. You have to just ignore for the time being what I been done here, like why this is been debited in this side and why furniture is been created this side. I will talk on this later in the next videos. I am just showing you that there are three processes in bookkeeping. Number one is your record. When a transaction takes place, that means this is my transaction. When this takes place, I have to first record it in this format. Then after that, whatever I will record in the journal, we have to make a separate account out of it. And after that, the final balance of those account will be taken as my final summarizing balance in the trial balance. And like this, my bookkeeping over. Afterward that, there are other process, like I have to prepare trading account or some final account to calculate my profit and loss. Then I have to prepare balance sheet for my positional statement. This made bookkeeping simple. Hit the subscribe button. Tomorrow we will learn another basic concept of commerce in the most easiest way.